So how do you create a local repo? There's a command for that actually. That command is dnf config manager. Let's dive deep into dnf config manager real quick. While I was away, I went ahead and created a local repo. I have a folder called repo, and inside of that folder is the basic folder structure for a repository. So we can do ls repo base os, and you'll see we have a packages and a repo data folder. Those are the two folders you're going to need to create the skeleton of a repo. Now that we have the skeleton of our repo created, we can go ahead and use the dnf config manager utility to define our very first repo. Let's go ahead and do that. The command itself is pretty straightforward. It is dnf config manager add repo equals file repo / base os. There we go. And with that, we've just defined a repo. Now, but we're not quite done yet. We still have to edit that repo, and we have to change one flag. We have to change GPG check to 0. Otherwise, this repo won't work. This local computer. Repos.d and then repo. Cool. And you'll see here, it basically just went ahead and defined all our settings. It defined the name, the base URL. It also enabled the repo, but it still won't work until we set one last flag, which is GPG check equals 0. Cool. And with that, we have now defined a repo.